Hello, my name is Irvin, and this is a tutorial on how to make word cards. Word cards are great to increase vocabulary. Um, for each class, I'm hoping the students will make 5 to 7 of these word cards. They will have the freedom and autonomy to choose which words they want to make for the word cards. Where they can get them is either from any input such as videos, graded readers, or a word list. The goal of making these word cards in the end is to be able to use them in a sentence. And as far as assessment, usually during class I will go through the cards and pick at random and just ask the student to make a sentence. So traditionally, word cards look something like this. Let's see here. Traditional vocabulary on one side, in the L2, here the L2 is English, and then translation. Now there's nothing wrong with these, but we want to try to increase the depth of understanding and learning here. So instead of that being our final project will look like this. This will be our English side. The L2, and this will be the L1. Of course, I will explain in detail more as the video goes on. But first thing we need to do is find a word. So the word that I found was tired. I got it from a sentence I heard in class. So what we want to do is take an index card. You're going to have one side, another side. So first thing to do is the front side, whichever one you delineate as the front side, you want to divide into basically different areas. So as you go along, you can choose how you want to organize it, but for now we're going to divide it as follows. So here I've divided my card, or this side of the sheet, into 3 sections. Now the way these 3 sections will work is there's going to be an area for word forms, an area for the picture, and an area for sample sentences. So let me show you what that looks like. Here we go. So we'll take the word, we'll put various forms of the word, we'll make a picture, and we'll write some sample sentences, maybe 2 to 3. And this will be our English side. So let's concentrate on that, and then we'll move to the other side, which is the L1, or your mother tongue. So I've divided my card into 3 sections. So I want to take the word tired and write it down. Find a pen. Here we go. Alright, tired. Just like this. However, that's just the first step. Our next step is to find other forms. So we can find other forms in the dictionary, or if we have a good knowledge base, think of them and write them down. So try to write at least 3 word forms down. So we'll say 3 to 5. So I look up in the dictionary. I find tired, tiring, and to tire. And here are the word forms. So this helps us learn different ways to use it and incorporates grammar into the word cards. Now what I have to do is kind of solidify it into my knowledge base and connect it, and the best way to do that, research has shown, is to make a picture. And it's important to make a picture of our own understanding of it. So it doesn't have to be detailed. It should only take about 10 to 20 seconds to make, but it should be something that you make yourself, and it will be something to help you connect the meaning with an image. So I'm going to just take a simple image. And there I go. Tired. And that's my picture. It just has to be an image where it helps you connect the meaning. So after that, I find some sample sentences. Hopefully, I write some different ones. So I look in my dictionary, and I find 3 different sentences. One for tired, one for tiring, and one for tire as a verb. So I've already written them down to save some time here. I was so tired last night that I went to bed at 8. It is very tiring to get a hold of him because he doesn't have a cell phone. And having kids tires a couple's love life. So here you see this is our English side completed. Of course, like I said, it can vary, but just for now, this is what it can look like. Alright, now to the back side. The back side is the L1 or the mother tongue. On the back side, you want to write the parts of speech, maybe some notes, and the various meanings. Also, you want to put a translation of the sample sentences. So, because this is a general video, I have not used any language, but I have made a little more in-depth card. So we do that quickly, of course, using the aid of a dictionary, the internet, whatever. And here we go. So here I have a translation of the sample sentences, and you can see for since we made one for tired, that's an adjective, and to tire, it's a verb, and then tiring. Now here, the box below is tired versus tiring. What's the difference? Maybe in the L1 you want to write some notes so you can get more of an understanding, because it is common, especially for Asian speakers, to confuse the two. And then you can also write the various different meanings in the L1. And then the translation of the sample sentences. So what you get is a basic one card, and with the back, for each class, make about 5 to 7. Where do you get them? From any input, videos, graded readers, class, and this will help you increase your vocabulary, and it also motivates you by seeing your progress and how many cards you make. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.